In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App transfer failed for My Protection. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're encountering a transfer failed for your protection error on Cash App, it usually means that Cash App security systems detected something unusual with your transfer. So here are some steps to fix this. So first, you want to verify your account. Ensure your Cash App account is fully verified with your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Next is you want to check your balance. So ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. Next is you want to update your Cash App. So ensure that you have the latest version of Cash App installed. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update if necessary. Next is you want to check your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Next is you want to double check the recipient's details to make sure they are correct. Ensure you are not sending large amounts that might be flagged as unusual activity. Next is you want to clear the cache and app data. So clearing the app cache can sometimes resolve issues. So on your device, go to the settings, go to your app settings and search for Cache App, go to storage and clear its cache. So if the issue persists, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support directly through the app. So open the Cash App, tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, scroll down and tap Cash Support, tap something else, navigate to your issue and tap Contact Support. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.